Hi, I'm Kevin Dudak, Senior Product Manager at Spectra Logic. In this video, I want to take a quick look at Global Spare, an option for all of our T-Series libraries. Spectra spent a lot of time working to proactively notify you before you have a tape drive failure. Unfortunately, we can't catch all instances, so we developed Global Spare. Global Spare is simply a spare tape drive pre-installed in your T-Series library. This drive is available to all partitions and can be used to seamlessly replace a failed drive. We do this by leveraging the virtualization of our libraries so that the drive can assume the same serial number and worldwide name as the drive that it's replacing. So no reconfiguration is necessary on your application, storage area, networks, or anywhere else. Literally in a couple of moments' time in the Bluescale GUI, you're able to seamlessly replace the failed drive. This feature is unique to Spectra and available in all of our T-Series libraries. So let's take a quick look and see how it works. So after we receive our email alert saying that there's been a problem with the tape library and we log into Bluescale on our T-Series library, we'll be able to open up the partition screen and see something very much like what we see here. In this case, our partition 1 has got hardware components that are impaired or missing. We'll go ahead and select Global Spare and click Use Spare. At this point, the system's going to take care of all of the work in processing this command and presenting this new tape drive up as the same drive that has failed. Once this configuration process completes, the partition on this library will appear to be exactly the same as it was before the failure. We won't have had to touch anything on the system. We can now come in at our leisure and replace the failed drive with a replacement from Spectra support. So as this command ends, or as it finishes its work, we'll see here we've come back to a screen where we have the ability to release the spare. Now we won't release the spare until we've been able to repair the original drive that had failed. So at this point we're going to just call support, get a replacement drive. We can see here if we look at DLM, the DLM screen, we can see that that one drive is missing. In this case for the simulation I actually physically removed the drive, but generally speaking the drive would have failed somehow and you would have a failure there. So once you receive your replacement drive from Spectra support, go ahead and swap them out with the failed drive. It's a quick and easy tool-free process. And then come back into your interface, go back to partitions, Global Spare, and select Release Spare. The system will then pull that spare drive back out and allow the partition to use the replaced drive the way it was originally configured. Again, quick and easy, couple of minute process, you're back up and running and now you have a spare drive again. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to use a Global Spare to replace a failed tape drive. Global Spare is great because it provides additional redundancy in the library to help with availability and data access. Thanks a lot for watching.